This video will teach you how to animate a growing flower in After Effects in just under 75 seconds. First, in Adobe Illustrator, make the 4 parts of your flower: the stem, 2 leaves, and the petals, each on different layers. Save as. Then, bring the file into After Effects, and make sure you import as a composition. Move the object anchor points to the bottom of the stem and then the bases of the leaves. Then, arrange the objects in order. Set keyframes at the 3-second mark on each object's position, scale, and rotation. Parent whip the leaves and petals to the stem, since they won't be moving off of it. At the 0-second mark, scale down the stem vertically to 0. At the 1-second mark, scale the leaves to 0 and add 10 degrees rotation. At the 2-second mark, scale the petals down to 0 and add some rotation to them going to the 4th second mark, the 6th, and the 8th. Add rotation to the leaves too. Highlight all the keyframes and add Easy Ease. Export and then you're done.